Have you ever wondered how you can earn money while you sleep? It's a provocative question that invites us to dream, to imagine a future where financial freedom isn't just a hope, but a reality. Could such a thing be possible? Is there a realm where money is not merely a reward for exhausting work, but a constant, steady stream that pours into our bank accounts even as we dream? This, dear listener, is not a mere flight of fancy, but an invitation into the world of passive income. It's an exciting universe comprising an array of financial instruments, each with their own unique allure. However, among them all, one shines brightest, promising not just a journey to wealth, but a chance to become a part of something bigger: the world of investing in stocks. Stocks, as may know, represent ownership in a company. When you purchase a stock, you're not just buying a piece of paper, you're buying a slice of that company's future. You are investing your faith in its potential and in its people. And what's more, you're entitled to a portion of its profits. Now, doesn't that sound enticing? But there's more to it. The beauty of stocks is that they offer an avenue for passive income. The term itself might sound paradoxical: passive income. It implies earning money with minimal active involvement. It sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But that's the magic of stocks. Once you've made your wise investments, you don't have to be constantly engaged in the process. There are no calls to attend to, no meetings to sit through, and no long hours of work to put in. You simply buy a healthy portfolio of stocks and let the companies do the rest. Every month you receive a check, a tangible symbol of your investment's growth. These are your dividends, a portion of the company's profits shared with you as a token of appreciation for your faith in them. It's a pleasant surprise that greets you month after month, a testament to the power of passive income. But wait, let's make sure we're clear on one thing. Investing in stocks isn't a walk in the park. It's not as simple as it might sound at first. It's not like buying a lottery ticket where luck is your only ally. No, investing in stocks requires a keen understanding of the financial world. It demands patience, knowledge, and an eagle eye for detail. Investing in stocks is complex, time-consuming. It's a journey that requires you to navigate through the intricate labyrinths of finance. It involves deciphering the language of the markets, understanding the rhythm of the economy, and predicting future trends. One of the key steps in this journey: accounting. It may sound daunting, but it is crucial. Accounting is the language of finance. It's the cornerstone of any investment decision. Without a grasp of accounting concepts, you would be like a ship in the sea without a compass. Understanding how to read financial statements is another crucial skill. They are the report cards of companies, revealing their financial health, performance, and future prospects. The ability to decipher these documents is vital in making informed investment decisions. Without this knowledge, you wouldn't be investing. Rather, you would be speculating. Speculating, in essence, is akin to gambling. It's a game of chance, not strategy. It's about quick wins, not sustainable growth. Investing, the other hand, is a calculated game. It's about long-term wealth creation. So the path to successful investing may be challenging, but remember, the reward is worth the effort. The road may be steep, but the view from the top is simply breathtaking. So embark on this exciting journey, arm yourself with knowledge, and join the ranks of those who earn money even while they sleep. Think about accounting as a language. Just as you can learn English or any other language, you can learn accounting too. It may take time, but it will serve you for the rest of your life. Also, if you feel you're not skilled enough to invest in individual stocks, there's always the option of investing in indices like the S&P 500, which contains the top 500 companies in the United States. There are numerous ways to invest in the stock market, but remember, your results will be proportional to your knowledge. To get started on this journey, consider reading the book, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. You can also watch YouTube videos of Berkshire Hathaway's annual meetings, where Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, some of the wealthiest people in the world, share investment tips. In summary, investing in stocks is a journey that requires time, knowledge, and patience. It's a journey that begins with understanding the language of accounting, and it's a journey that, when navigated wisely, can lead you to financial independence and allow you to earn money even while you sleep. So, are you ready to embark on this journey?